Hey everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to all computer classes, and this is part 4 of Microsoft Word 2010, right? And we are studying about working with tables, right? Yesterday we covered 5 topics, and today we are going to cover the next 5 topics, right? So the first topic is inserting rows and columns in a table. Next is deleting a cell, then deleting a row or column, then auto formatting a table, and adding borders and shading, right? So let's move to MS Word and learn how to practically perform these things. The very first topic is inserting rows and columns in a table, right? So we have 3 methods here to insert a row or column in a table. So this is a table in front of you. We learned how to make a table yesterday. So click anywhere in this table wherever you want to insert a row or column. Now click on the layout tab. Here you have rows and column group, right? In this group you have this option to insert above, insert below, insert left, and insert right. Right now you see my first row is selected. If I will click on insert below, so the row will be inserted below. Now I'll click on insert right, so towards the right side I'll get a column, right? Insert rows and columns, it depends upon the need, right? This is the first method. Now the second method is you have this dialog box launcher option here, right? So what you need to do, you just click on the table, come in the layout, and directly come here in the dialog box launcher. This dialog box launcher option is available in this group and in rows and column group at this right bottom corner. You just click this square button and you will have this option, insert cells. Now here you get an option, insert entire row or insert entire column. So whatever you want to do, you can do so. So I have just selected insert entire row, so a row will be inserted, right? This was a second method. Now third method is to click anywhere wherever you want to insert a row. Now for example, I click here, I'll right click the mouse button, and here I'll get a insert option, right? So here insert column to the left, insert column to the right, insert row above, insert row below, or insert cells. So whatever option you want to choose, you can choose, right? So like this, I inserted a row below. This was the first topic, inserting rows and columns in a table. Okay, so next topic is deleting a cell or deleting a row or column, right? For deleting a cell, we just need to select a cell which we want to delete. For example, I select this cell, right? Now I'll go in the layout tab and come in the delete table option, right? Now here I'll open the drop down menu, and the very first option is delete cell, right? Once this cell will be deleted, so how I want to make it look like? If I choose the first option, shift cells left, so what will happen? This will happen, right? After deleting, all the cells were shifted to the left side, right? So this is how this delete cells work. Now the third topic was deleting a row or column, right? For deleting the row or column, what we need to do, we will again select the cell, right? Now I'll come here, delete option, and here first option is second option is delete columns, delete rows. So if I'll choose the column, entire column vertically, it will be deleted, or row, then this second row will be deleted, right? So I'll choose column and the column is gone. I'll choose row, now my row will be deleted, right? And after this, again we have here similar option, delete table. So if I'll click this, my table will be deleted, right? So now you learned how to delete a cell, how to delete row or column, and delete the table, right? Now next option is auto formatting, right? So auto formatting is very easy. it provides us pre-designed designs for our table. So you just select the table. You will have this table tools tab, and under this we have design tab. We'll just open it and choose the desired design for our table. Right. This was our fourth topic, auto formatting a table. Okay, so we have done first 4 topics. Now the last topic is adding borders and shadings. Right. So to enhance the appearance of a table, we can add variety of borders to it. Right. Now let's see how to do it. First of all, we need to select our table by clicking this box on the top left corner. Right, my table is selected. Now you can even choose the border and shading from the paragraph group in the home tab, or you can go in the design and come here in the table styles and border option. Now here come at the last option, borders and shadings. Right, now here you want to apply the border on all the edges, so you choose this option and you choose the desired lines from here, and after this you come here in the shadings and choose the color you want to give to your table. Now click OK. This is how your table will look. Right? So students, I hope this was very interesting and very easy for you. So just try it out. Take care and goodbye. God bless you all.